the stuff.
Ito yung part 2.
And so it's Irving who wins it up for Boston. Down low, Horford kicks to Irving.
Ito po yung part 2.
1:57 left to go in the first half.
Magagaling sila sa ano?
Putik.
Sa
Always the result
football.
of that extra effort.
Here, let's pass it to Measuring. Plays it up and makes it in.
Boy, you have got to love the dime, the pass on time and on target.
Here's
Oh!
it's good.
Oh,
Yung malaki.
siya yun.
Well, we've seen that movie a few times, haven't we? Easy.
Ayaw po magpakita, nahihiya po sa video.
Here's Nowitzki. Buries it down low.
Sabay, ang dalawa.
Really come to life here.
2 days pa to magkaka-views. 2 days pa to magkaka-views.
Irving against Maria. That shot is on. Some solid defense from Harris.
Nasaan na yan, Nowitzki? Ay, ang Irving mo, ha?